Piniriso ko. Charis. Bitaw, ay daghang kayong salamat sa inyong pag... Mr. Malcolm, how are you? He's from London.
Yeah.
And thank you so much sa inyong pag... Magtagalog ko, magbisaya.
Tagalog din.
Tagalog. Hayaan nyo ng media mag-adjust. Charis. Bitaw, I am very happy sa iyong pinakitang support sa atong former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte and for showing solidarity to come here today. I would like to also take this opportunity to thank Alvin and Aldo for organizing this event. And gikulbaan ko.
No, perhaps you are emotional.
Or maybe na-emotional ako. Diyos sila! Bitaw, oy. Kanang, ang ako magandang plano dere, ang tumong ginakunta is to just visit the place, you know, kung asa sa Tatay Digong karon. But, Sir Alvin messaged me, pagilam sa! But Sir Alvin messaged me, nga kung pwede ba daw nga kanang mag-participate lang ko sa event, and I said wholeheartedly, yes. This is for Tatay Digong. And I always supported Tatay Digong way back before pa ako nag-social media. Nano ko social media before, during his campaign katong pagka-president, o niya, gimas report akong Facebook page, nawala. And I decided to say, okay, dili sa ako mag-politics kayo, but this time, I'm going to show my support. Dili kay ko magbardagulan because na naman si Maharlika. Charis. But, yes, thank you kaayo sa inyong tanan. Taga-asa mo? Diyan saan mo, ka naglupa? Butuan? Germany! Ah! London! The Netherlands! Lupig ta sa the Netherlands ay. Bitaw oy, we need to keep the fire burning. We need to keep giving support until the end. Walang iwanan. Okay?
Correct.
Hanggang sa dulo.
Ay,
napaday taga Belgium. Belgium!
Ireland.
Ireland! Uy, kadaghan ba na ninyo? Dapat maningil mi. Bitaw, I am here just to, you know, to lighten up the situation a bit. And I know dili sayon. You know, when I traveled here from Germany for 5 hours drive, and I keep thinking, no, grabe ang nagian sa grabe ang naranasan ng ating presidenteng Binyahe from Philippines to here for how many hours, and that is too much to endure. And sama ni aring king dere. Bitaw oy, and sabay. Ano human? Lagi mga taba. Anyways, tason pa na ako ni Sir Alvin.
It's up to you.
Tason pa? Kay bawal naman daw mukanta,
No.
mukanta manunta ko.
Kana istorya nimo sila unsa reason nag-support kini mo sa Tatay Digong wholehearted.
Sada?
Unsa reason nag-support nimo sa Tatay Digong ano unsa?
Yes. Bitaw no. Salamat sa pag-Q. Charis. Kanang malimta na maganda. Katigulang na maganda. Bitaw. You know, the reason being, I'm a diehard supporter gid of Tatay Digong. You know, way back in London, makig-away jud ko sa bar. Like, would always say, dili mo ka na kayo, tugang kakamping jud ko and everything. But, ko nga, you don't know. You will never find out the reason why I am a diehard supporter of Rodrigo Duterte, because I am from Davao. He is like a father, you know? He has a foul mouth. Our father would always say, muna, di mo magmata din ha, kay pangyabaan, tamog mga tubig. Yun gani, like, it's a fatherly... Yun dyan ba? And that's how our parents sometimes, not all parents but that's how we are. But the love he showed us for the country, for the people, especially in Davao, that time. And I told myself, this person is worth of my respect and my support. And pag-amen po. Tama.
Amen.
And that's the reason why nga, until now, I am a diehard supporter of the Dutertes. Their legacy sa Davao and the legacy sa Philippines. Dili man nato ikalimod kung unsay nahimo ni Duterte sa atong country, di ba?
Correct.
O 10 years passport. 10 years nga driver's license.
Correct.
10 years nga wala interest sa imong loan. Charis! Joke na ba? As in? Tuupod ko. Bitaw oy. And this is a very unfortunate event for the country. And for President Duterte. But we are here. This is our time to give back, to pay back for all his sacrifice sa atong country. And for doing so much, for doing his job, and mo ni nahitabo karon. Ikaw na po? Ha? Unsa daw?
Ganahan daw sila makita nila si Winky.
Si Winky kay naman sa maleta day. Ha? Taga-asa ka day? Ninyo kag-afam. Ha? Asa man? Anong wala man?
Expired na kay 10 years ago ang contract.
10 years ra? Oh, deserve. Ha? Charot. Charot na. Bitaw, oy! Bitaw kita, ako ay mga OFW. Kabaliw jud ko kung unsang nahimon ni Duterte para sa ato mga OFW, correct? We are one of the biggest factors of the economy sa atong country, correct?
Correct.
The money we sent back to the Philippines is around $34 billion a year. Tama ba ko? Billions or
Correct.
millions?
Billion.
Billions. And yet, kung magka-problema ta, dili man ta mga gobyerno kaayo.
Correct.
Kung magka-problema ta, moingor man ta, Ginoo! Diyos sige! Ano naman ta? Diba? But we are probably the most neglected sector of our community. But Duterte, he showed love and he showed that he protected us. You know, na nahitabo sa Kuwait, you know, nahitabo sa Middle East and everything like that. And that alone, nakaingon jud ko nga, tama gid ay nga akong pagsuporta sa akong presidente. Correct, madam?
Correct.
Oh, kamo na dire. Bitaw oy. Dili na bawal na daw magkanta. Okay. Nagreklamo naman na si Ante din ako. Oh, lagi. Muna, daghan kay salamat Sir Alvin.
My honor.
Sir Aldo, daghan kay salamat. O daghan kay salamat sa inyong pagtambong diri ununta kanang ipadayon pa nato ang atong pagsuporta. There are so many ways how to support a president, on how to support a former president and VP Sara. You need to vote PDP straight yun. Laban. Wala nang bawian, okay? We need to show that support, the solidarity, and kainit ba diri? Nag-leather. Bitaw, there are many ways how to support. Just use your social media. Social media, we are in a digital world now. We can change the world through digital ways of, you know, participating social issues. So, thank you very much. Use your social media. Use your platform. Kung unsa man yung platform, kung unsa ba na, basta laban lang. And don't forget to pray. And to pray for our former President Rodrigo Duterte. And I think that would be all. Thank you very much. Palakpakan niyo po ang iyong mga sarili for coming today.
Thank you Thank you so much. Maybe later, magyaw-yaw pa kung ganahan ka. Maybe kung igutom ba ka or what not, relax lang